Hello guys, I will talking about today Gmail storage.
Is Gmail account is out of storage? Is your Gmail account has reached limit? Is your Gmail account drive size limit has been reached? Then this video is perfect for you. I will provide you some solutions in this video that will make your life easier. Hi guys, this is your JUNAID and in this video we will be talking about your Gmail storage. We're talking about your Gmail storage. What is Gmail storage? Let me tell you guys what is Gmail storage. So, are you new this channel? Please subscribe and please do my favor like button. I need your smash that button. Alright, let's move to your video. Gmail storage is your navigating on your Gmail, then your scroll down button and right button wait or at the center you will see your Gmail storage. Right now you have not my Gmail storage and only 0 GB has been used out of 15 GB. Only 0 GB has used. So this is how you can check Gmail storage. To check Gmail storage, you have a just scroll down and have you can check your Gmail storage. Go to the trash. Go to the trash. If you have your Gmail, just leave them and all of yours has been the spam. Just leave and that all. If that not enough for you, and then I have a solution for you guys, and that you can Google buy a Google storage. That you can buy a Google storage. That Google storage is offering for you, and this is the 15 GB over currently planned. You can get up the 100 GB 209 per month and 200 GB and 200 GB in 339 per month for you. And there is another packages for you guys and 200 GB for an annually 110,000 to 499 per month. So this is how your Gmail storage work. Let me tell you guys how. Another way of clean your Gmail storage, and that your Google Drive. If you have your data in Google Drive, you just have to right the click button, uh, right the click right the button click the right button, go to the trash, uh, and remove it. That how it work. And if you do not want to delete your data, there is another solution for you guys. What is that? Create another Google Drive. If you have Google Drive size limit has been reached, if your Google Drive account has been Google Drive has been out of the storage, or if your Google storage limit has been reached, just create a new account. Download data and transfer the new Google Drive. This is how you will get 15 GB every time. Yes, if you create a new Google account, this is create a new Google account, you have code of 15 GB for the storage Google Drive. This is how you can Google storage. If your Gmail space has been limit reached, this is how you can do it. And one more thing, If you do not want to delete your data to spam message or go to the trash, go to spam and go to the trash. Delete your spam message. Delete to the spam message. This is how it works. For example, I am navigating in mobile. I am navigating on mobile. So how it work? Take my the last Gmail, latest Gmail. Sorry. So right now guys I am for example navigating for my mobile, scroll down and right at the center, down right at the center, it will show you this, it will show you how much GB is more used. So this is how you can check Gmail storage, this is how you can check Gmail account storage, check Gmail account storage. Check Gmail account storage. So this is how it work, this is how you can get Google Drive storage, this is how you can do this. So and enough for today, I will see you guys and
Yes, you can check this Google Photos in this way, and yeah, this one you check your Gmail account in this way. This one, yes, you can this check this Google Drive. My Google Drive and Gmail and Google Photos are 0 GBs out of 15 GBs out of 0 GBs. This is no used, or this is a new account for my Gmail storage. This is new account. Yes, yeah, backup on your phone and social media and Google Photos. Store file and Google Drive. Share the attachments on Gmails. Further, then in monthly packages of the Google Gmail Drive, and this annually yearly package of the Google Drive. The basic package 100 GB in purchase your Pakistani rupees 2099 per year. Standard package 200 GBs Pakistani rupees 3399 rupees per year. 2 terabyte per year package is very big package. The Pakistani rupees 10,499 rupees per year. This package off 70%. Thank you so much, guys. This is for Junaid Sajid. I will see your next video. Please subscribe the button and like bell icon. Okay, thank you so much.